Yo, what is up you beautiful people, and today basically I'm gonna go and get my gun scope sorted out at my grandma and granddad's house. So he's living in a big farm and stuff, so I'm gonna get that sorted out today. So yeah, it is currently the time is, what is the time actually? The time is 11:38. So this is gonna be a vlog. So basically I am about to set off there in about 5 minutes, so I will film some of the journey there and then film when I get there, and then I'll film me doing it, and then I'll film some stuff for the Airsofting channel using the scope and stuff like that and targeting, stuff like that. Pretty cool. So yeah, basically sorry for that I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been a bit busy yesterday. I was busy just sorting out some stuff around here, like my computer. I don't know what was wrong with it. It wouldn't read the hard drive and stuff like that, so I've just been fixing that. And yeah, basically that's about it, really. It has Ninja Gems. So basically, I will cut the video and see you in about in about 40 minutes when I get there. Cheers guys. Nope. Yo, what is happening you beautiful people? I am finally here after a 40-minute drive in the Land Rover. Got everything set up basically, got caps off the scope and stuff like that, so basically yeah, today it's still vlog. I'm going to be setting up my rifle for the shooting. So basically it's like two little knobs on it and you like twist it each time. I think it's 1/4 of a yard really. I think that's what it is. But yeah, basically yeah. So it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be a good day today. Like just setting it up, maybe like filming stuff for this channel and for the Airsofting one. But please go check out the Airsoft channel, watch my videos, subscribe, like my videos, comment down below what else you would want to what you want to see. Basically, stuff that you guys want to watch. Basically, but yeah, I'm gonna rambling on and I'll get into it. So basically, I'll set my camera up over right here. We'll set it up here, and I'll get you like a close up. Oh, farted. Pretty nice fart. So basically, as you can see here, well not there, but here, here's one of the knobs, not like one of the things, that is left and right. That one there is up and down. But yeah, they do have dust caps on them as well, so before any of you ask, there's the dust cap for each one. Both the exact same. So basically, let me get something that will make it higher, so then you can actually see me like twisting them. Can you see them there? No, you cannot. What the fuck? This is stupid. Oh, camera's gonna fall anytime soon. Right, can you see it there? Ish. Yeah, I'll keep it there. Right, so basically here. Right, so here, basically, we have like the left and right. So I can go. Wait, what's it on now? I can go like that. This isn't a sniper scope. This isn't one click. So like when you see movies, like one click to the left. So like you click it left or click it right. So basically, no, this isn't it. It's a full turn to get it. To, like when I've been measuring it up, like since, it's been a full turn to like get a noticeable difference. But just in case any of you guys haven't seen my sniper channel, not my sniper channel. Oh dear, this isn't going well today, is it, guys? Jeez. But if you haven't seen my Airsoft channel, please go check it out. It's pretty cool. I'm going to be uploading some games soon when I next go to one. But yeah, I've already set it up, but I would have shown you. But it's fully done. It's all set up. It fires perfectly now. So basically, I'll give you a quick run through what else you're going to see this week in a minute. I'll end the video here. Right. Right. Okay, I'm back. Right. Basically, what's gonna happen is on Friday. Friday. My girlfriend's coming down again, and we're gonna do the ice bath challenge. And basically, we're gonna do a challenge before it. Like, if you lose, you have to go sit in the bath of ice, and if you win, well, you don't have to. But yeah. But if it's a draw, we both have to sit in there, which would be pretty cool. Pun not intended there. So basically, yeah, we're gonna do the ice bath challenge, and yeah. So that's gonna be pretty fun on Friday. Tomorrow is Thursday. My girlfriend's coming down. We might do another challenge then, or maybe two, because I haven't uploaded any content recently. Dog's having an epileptic fit in there. That was a horse. So basically, yeah. End the video here, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you later, guys.